Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. So the paper ID for this paper is 39, and the title for the presentation is the design and development of the iJury management system. I'm Muhammad Rahimi Muhammad Rosman, and this is my team member. Nurah Nisa Abdullah, Izzatul Husna Arsyad, Muhammad Sayuti, Muhammad Saleh, Muhammad Zafir, Muhammad Zawawi, and Faiza Haini Fazil. So as for the introduction, so handling an event require a repetitive and complex task from the initial preparation until its conclusion. And one of the important elements in an innovation event is the during process. The during process usually involves tasks with higher priority, and it must be completed in a limited duration, usually within several days, such as 4 to 5 days. And nowadays, the inexistence of inexpensive jury information system leads to the development of the iJury management system. The iJury management system was developed based on PHP programming language, MySQL database, and jQuery. And the development of this system follow the System Development Lifecycle methodology. Okay, so the purpose of the development of iJury management system, so as we all know, okay, currently we are on the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so the COVID-19 pandemic has caused a lot of changes and transformation, okay, especially in terms of the handling innovation event. So usually event or innovation event, it is a face-to-face event. However, nowadays many of these events has been converted into a digital platform. So therefore, the implementation of the iJury management system have to ease the during process and also speed up the generation of the result. Okay, in terms of methodology, so basically there are 4 stages of methodology that were used in this study. First is review of existing report form and procedure. So in order to gain an understanding of the overall process of the jury system, so we investigate existing report form and procedure from several innovation events such as Invention, Innovation and Design Exhibition at IDEC, Kelantan International Learning and Innovation Exhibition 2019, KILET 2019, and also Virtual Innovation Competition 2020, VIT 2020. So the purpose of this stage is to identify the expected procedure, deliverables, and designing the business role of the information system. The main source of information in this stage is the organizer website, previous communication with the organizer, internet searching, and also articles from News Hub and management report. And then we also conduct joint application design, or we also call it JET session. So the JET session was conducted with the stakeholder. The purpose of this session is to gain insight and obtain an in-depth analysis of the problem and the potential solution. The session was conducted through Google Meet with several respondents selected based on certain criteria. First, have experience with jury management process. Second, involved as an organizer in at least one event. And third, have a working experience of more than 3 years. Okay, next we perform interview with end users. So other than the JET session, we also perform an individual interview with selected respondents selected from list of judges from 2 events, which are Virtual Universal Competition and International Information Management Online Showcase 2020, IMOS 2020. So the purpose of this stage is to understand the current process, requirement analysis, and determining expected features of the information system. And lastly, we develop the information system using the System Development Lifecycle Okay, that consists of 5 stages: planning, analysis, design, implementation, and maintenance. Okay, so based on the analysis and the methodology that has been conducted, okay, so we come out with a process that we call it information system procedure. Okay, so this process shows the process of the during process from the start until the end. Okay, so the process will start with the call for jury. Okay, open call for jury nomination usually through email and the website. And then second, a personalized invitation to the qualified individual to be appointed as a jury. Next, the selection of the jury is based on several indicators, usually number of experience, years of experience with innovation, number of awards won throughout the career, level and type of expertise, and also number of projects submitted to the event, and also previous experience as a jury. So in this stage, it is compulsory to do a background check to determine the reliability of the juries. Next, the jury will be assigned tasks to be completed. Okay, and then the number of tasks depend on the several criteria. First is number of projects submitted to the event. Second is the expertise of the jury, and third is the number of juries available. However, it is advisable that the maximum number of assessments should not more than 7 tasks to ensure the quality of the assessment. And next, the subsequent stage is assessment, whereby the jury will perform the jurying task. So this is the crucial stages whereby the organizer must organize a jurying briefing session to ensure that the jury understand all the rubrics, thus ensure fair judging across the evaluation. And lastly, the generation of the result, and then the award ceremonies. Okay, and then the entity relationship diagram. Okay, so the below figure shows the entity relationship diagram for the jury management system. So basically there are 4 tables involved, which are user assessment, project, and rubric. And this some of the interface design for the jury management system. Okay, the first interface is the result generation or generate result. So this thing will be performed automatically after all the evaluation has been completed. Okay, the second screen is the automatic invitation letter to the selected jury. And the third one is the jury blaster. So the jury blaster will send a message from the organizer to all the selected jury. And last one is the dashboard. So this is the summary of all the function that available on the jury management system. As a conclusion, so the development of the jury information system speed up the process of managing jury, project management, as well as speeding up the disbursement of result, comparing to previous traditional evaluation method. Besides, the system also enables the pooling of expertise by storing information regarding the juries. And on the other hand, the information system also store information regarding the participant project that can later be used as an innovative repository for references by future generation. That's all from us. Assalamualaikum and thank you.